was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time.
So this is a Neo. So Neo, it's our entry-level bike. We have this bike in different sizes. We begin in micro, mini, then junior, Inspyre XL, Pro and Cruiser. That's the best bike you can have to begin BMX. That's what we designed for. We have a double wall rims, aluminum frame. We have a 3-piece crankset with a steel bearing bottom bracket, V-brake version, chain tensioner obviously. We're really working on the geometry to make this bike fun for your first BMX racing experience. And have a great looking bike with a nice red color on it. So yeah, this bike is straight out of the box. You can have like a very good bike to begin BMX and make your first races. Then we can move to the second bike on the range, which is the Evo. Maybe you can see more in details here because yeah. So yeah, the Evo, it was made for the riders who wants to have like a racing machine. Like straight out of the box, you have everything you can have to win a race with the disc brakes. We're trusting on the disc brakes since 2016 now, almost the beginning of the brand. So we have an hydraulic disc brakes with a super nice frame, hydrofoamic down tube with a triple butted. Hydrofoamic tubing almost everywhere on the frame. Tapered tube, hydraulic disc brakes, 150 point of engagement on the rear hubs with a 6-pole design. EB24 crankset, 2-piece cranksets. And we have a nice top load stem on this bike. So pricing on this one, it's a $799 US or euros, whatever, US dollar or euros. And that's probably one of the best complete bike at this price point on the market. We only have one color of this one, and we're beginning it in junior, and we go up to Pro XXL and Cruiser. Then we have the Evo-C. Evo-C have exactly the same components as the Evo disc. Exactly the same one, except the carbon fork. So we have a carbon fork on this bike. This is a Pride carbon fork, so Slick 3.0. That's a tapered tube carbon fork. We have a Shimano hydraulic disc brakes on this one, and we have a nice paint on it with some very cool decals, brush road decals. Pretty much the same design as the Concorde frame, which is our high-end frame, riding by Jeremy Rancurel and all the guys on the factory team. So that's a very nice bike, very cool bike. And then we have our high-end machine, which is riding by all the factory team. We began the story of the Concorde frame in 2016 with Jeremy Rancurel, which is developing the frame. And we trying to improving the frame every year. We have our specific dropouts called the swell dropouts. It's an enclosed design to fit disc brakes. We have BB86 bottom bracket to have like the best combination for the stiffness on this frame. And we have a specific tubing to make this bike super stiff. And it's made to make a World Cup final. On this bike you have all the Pride Racing part, which is a sister company of Inspyre. So we have carbon forks, we have our own cranksets on it, the Vortex 24. We have the carbon rims called the Wave with a specific design, with our own mold. And our popular hubs, super popular hubs, so riding by all the team as well. So this bike was made, as I said before, was made to win a World Cup, and she did. She did this season with Jeremy Ronquerolles, won in Glasgow. So really happy about that, and world champion with Léa Branjon in junior. So we won the world championship with Léa this year as well in junior class. So pretty cool color on this one. And we're also doing that in gray. In gray and neon yellow. And on this combination we put aluminum wheels. Super popular aluminum wheels as well, so that's cool. I didn't talk about the bars, but we're also doing 22.2 bars, but we're also doing 31.8 bars. And we don't have the bars of Renault Blanc. We have a specific bar with straight geometry, with 3 degrees, extremely popular in Europe. So yeah, super OP as well on this bike. So the Concorde frame is available from Junior to Pro Triple XL, and we have the Cruiser as well. Oh, thank you for that, man. Hopefully my English was not too bad